I'm going to show you a demo of our AI platform on this Kalani Resort website. When we land on a website, we're either looking for something or we're trying to accomplish a task, such as making a booking or purchasing an item. But companies are often missing the voice of their brand on their websites and even on their mobile applications. Essentially, a digital concierge or a personal assistant. Not only can you have a chatbot, but you can also have a search experience where it brings back an answer to a site visitor's question. It ultimately helps move them further along in their customer journey. Let's first look at basic question and answer functionality. In the past, it would take months to build out a chatbot. Now with RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation, you can quickly and easily go live with one to answer your site visitors' questions, all from your organization's content. Let's go to the search and ask the question, tell me more about your spa. Now you can easily click on the search results like spa and wellness, or you can click enter and get a response. So if a company or organization wants to answer site visitors' questions about their products, services, offerings, and more, they can leverage this RAG technology. But let's get into agents so that the AI search or AI chatbot becomes way more intelligent, so it can personalize the experience by pulling information it knows about the user, like what their purchase history has been, their preferences, and more. AI agents also integrate with external APIs to bring in real-time data. This real-time data can be from a CRM, the weather, Google Maps, and more. I'll ask another question in the chatbot view. We'll ask directions from the airport. Our platform will call the Google Maps agent and provide directions, provide a Google map, and link to the actual Google Maps. So if you're on your phone, you can navigate to the resort. And it knew that when I said from the airport, that it was to the hotel. I've done just a bit of planning, but let me ask the assistant, put together a one-day itinerary. You can give it ideas too, like you want to go on a hike or visit a museum if you want to be more specific. And it actually put together a one-day itinerary for me, complete with snorkeling, a spa treatment, dinner, evening entertainment. Let's ask, what are all the activities at the hotel? And it provides a list of all the activities with call to action buttons. So I'll click on Learn About Golf. And it tells me more about the golf course, what to bring if I want to sign up. And I'll click on the CTA button, Sign Up for Golf. It then prompts me to fill out the form. I'll put in my name, now you'll see our date time picker agent where I can select a time slot, and this is dynamic. So if I change the date to be Wednesday, you'll see different times based on what's available that day. I'll click on 11 o'clock a.m., click next, and it's also going to prompt me on whether I want to rent a club car for $20 or $35 or choose to walk. I'll choose the $20 one. It's going to bill me on my hotel bill, and I will sign up there. So I'm reserved for this time slot, and I'll also get an email confirmation for the time that I booked. Let's say it's a rainy day, so my family is not going to go to the beach, but we'd love to go to the movie theater. Kalani Resort has set up a movie agent, so if someone asks about movies, it can call that agent and people can see what movies are currently playing in the theater nearby. We'll type in what movies are playing. And you get a list of all the movies with the option to purchase tickets. Now let's ask, what restaurants are nearby? And our AI assistant calls the restaurant agent and presents back the nearby restaurants. This agent is calling a REST service, which has a database of all the nearby restaurants. So we're retrieving structured data. Let's ask, is there an Italian one? And it can look at the cuisine type as Italian within the structured data and provide that result. We can also ask questions like, I need my car, or could you arrange a taxi, or could I get room service, which could call the concierge agent. Incorporating all these agents makes the digital assistant so much more powerful. And you can imagine this on other industry websites as well. So this can apply not just to travel and hospitality, but also on university sites as a digital admissions representative, or on a theater website to help choose and book theater tickets, or on a retail site to help an individual choose and buy products, and more. That's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and check out our website, ai12z.com.